Having a buying need and doing something about it can often be quite disparate ideas. When the buyer is looking at the gap between where they are now and where they want to be, and they judge it is very close, pretty close, they don't feel any urgency or need to buy. They will have certain drivers pushing them along in their role in the business, but this gap perception component is key in selling to buyers. If we can't show that the opportunity cost of no action is too high, then they are not inspired to do anything. We have to draw out the implications of taking no action, of doing nothing. When and how we do that? In the questioning stage, we can draw attention to the size of the gap. Now, if we say, oh, that's a pretty big gap you have there and you should do something about fixing that, they doubt us. We are salespeople, so the buyer is always mentally dismissing everything we say as fluffy sales talk. We need them to tell us the gap is big and needs attention. Also, tell us that it needs attention right now.